now I'm very excited to open this package because it's the latest iPad Pro. I'm pretty excited to try this new iPad because I think the pen has evolved since I got my iPad, and also I'm pretty sure there are new features that I don't have on my iPad. I'm gonna experiment with this iPad and I'll let you know how it is. So let's just open this because I've been waiting for a week to open it because I wanted to film a vlog and open the package. So we're gonna unbox this iPad together. I'm so excited. Like, you can see I have I already have the MacBook, I have the pen, not the pen, I have the keyboard here, I have the Magic Mouse. Like, I'm just so excited by this new iPad to try out. Oh my god. Here is the smart keyboard. The new iPad! Oh my god, like, it's so beautiful. Like, I just love the borderless design. Like, it's so beautiful. It's really amazing. Oh my god. And the pen! Yay! So I'm so happy. I have all of these to unbox. And then I'm very excited because I think like tonight I'm gonna work on some summary for my database classes. So I'm gonna use the iPad to do my summary, and I'll show you how that goes. But yeah, that's why I wanted to unbox this. It's because I really want to make my class notes on this new iPad. What should I start? Like, I feel like the iPad is like the most important thing, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay. Whew. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna take a 10-second break because too much emotions. Okay, so I just took a break to take it all in and I changed my t-shirt. Sorry, the light is not good in my room. It's dark outside. It's so beautiful. I'm freaking out. Can you see it? Okay, let's open the iPad first. I'm gonna cry, I think. Is it possible? I'm just so happy I can try it. Oh my god. Let's open the iPad. It's so nice. Oh my god. Opening it right now. Oh my. I can't believe I get to try out the latest iPad Pro. Oh my god, the feel is very different from mine. Oh my god. It's like, I don't know, I think the corners of mine are more rounded or something, and this one is like not rounded. Then we have the little manual and oops, the cables. Okay, so I'm gonna charge it right now so I can use it at some point. I think this is the thing I'm the most excited about because I don't know why. I'm also excited about the iPad, but I don't know, just changing the pen. I feel like it's like everyday thing that you use the pen and then it's different versions. I don't know. Oh my god. Wow. So nice. I can't wait to try it. Sorry, I'm just so excited. Now the latest, the keyboard. So I also have the smart keyboard. That's the one that I also have on my iPad, but I think that it's probably a newer model because mine is, I don't know. Yeah, probably a newer model. Gonna open it as well. Wow, first impression is like, oh my god, this is much better than the smart keyboard that I have at home. Because, let me explain. I still have this one at home, but I mean, okay, so you see how the smart keyboard doesn't protect this side? So it's only like, the keyboard is only like that, and you have to put it like that. So it never protects the camera or the back. And this new one, this new keyboard, it actually protects the back of the iPad. So if I put it like this, yeah, it's actually protected on the back too now. And we have two, oh yeah, I was missing that too. We have two sets of angle for the, this is annoying. We have two sets of angle to place the iPad. I was also missing that in my smart keyboard because we only have one angle. So at least here you have the choice to have it more vertical, which I can't on mine. Let's actually compare. I'm curious. Oh my god. I wonder how many times I said oh my god in this video. So look at these two. My old iPad and the new one. I can try it out. So pretty excited for this. Yeah. I think it says hello now. Swipe up to open English. Canada. If you have an iPhone, bring it, or iPad. I can try that. Oh! Continue. Hold your new iPad up to the camera. Okay, like that. Ah, it's hard to film and I'll do all of this at the same time. Oh, okay. Enter other code. Oh my god! So excited. And this is actually a good motivation to do my homework tonight. That's it for the unboxing. I forgot to film an outro that day because, as I said, this unboxing was supposed to be just in a vlog, but I decided I just wanted to share it as a standalone video as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I share my life as a woman studying engineering, and I'm gonna do my master's soon. So if you're interested in seeing behind the scene of all that, don't hesitate to go to my Instagram. I share a lot of stories about everything that I do. If you have any questions about the usage of my iPad, what I do with it for university, if it's worth it, what are my favorite apps, anything, please let me know in the comments of this video and I will try to answer them in an upcoming video. I'll see you another time. Thanks for watching.